And welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Monday the 26th of January with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets, and that's going to be gold now. And I said in the morning report that it's very rare that you see a bull run finding no real corrective pressure at any stage, and at the moment it seems to be the case with gold. We've had this strong run higher through January, took the RSI above 70, and now it's just beginning to roll over perhaps, and the signs of a bit of consolidation, perhaps a bit of profit taking are coming through. You've had the RSI dip back below 70, arguably that is the most basic form of a profit taking signal. And just this, the other momentum indicators as well, beginning to lose a bit of upside momentum. So, is this the beginning of a correction? Well, let's look on the hourly chart. You've got this top pattern arguably in place here, and on Thursday we saw the support coming in at 79 figure, 1279, and at the moment that's intact, but only just. 1280 is the 1280 figure around that is the low today. Now, I think if we did lose that 1279 support, well, that would arguably sort of complete this top pattern, but I think you wouldn't get too corrective until you lost that 1271.85 low, and I think at that stage you'd then be thinking about this as a corrective pattern. Slightly concerning, I suppose, also is the fact that the RSI on the hourly chart has once again dropped sort of quite strongly, and that's below 30 now, and that would suggest that, well, that's the first time that we've seen that in this bull run since right at the beginning when the bull run started. The RSI has not gone below 30. It sort of tends to find support around the mid 30s and then go higher again. So that is a slightly worrying position as well. Also, the MACD line's below neutral and sort of falling back again. So that is also another worrying sign. Furthermore, God, as I speak and as I think, it's sort of building up now. You're back below this 89-hour moving average, which had been a very good sort of basis of support through all these lows here, and that's turned over now, and it looks like it's becoming resistant. So as I'm speaking, I'm sort of beginning to turn my opinion a little bit more concerning as I look at this chart, because this seems to be that this top pattern is sort of developing now. So I'm going to say that if it goes below 1271.85, then that's my confirmation of the top pattern being completed and confirmed. If that happens, then you'd be measuring that top pattern at 1279 up to 1306.20. So what's that? That's 27.28 pips of $27.28 down from 79, which is around about the 52 mark, which which would be a fairly reasonable correction, but back towards these key lows. And the breakout, interesting, that breakout of 55 there, so it may well be that you'd come back towards the test of that October low, that October key breakout high. So that could be actually where we're looking out for. So just watch out for that. So if we do get this this top pattern completing and confirmed, we could well come back towards that October breakout high. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later.